Hello all, this is Rehman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this easiest makeup look that you can wear this monsoon season, and it literally don't melt down because I'm not applying literally a lot of makeup. The minimum thing that you can use to create this makeup. If you want to know how I create this look, keep watching. I'm starting with the Lakme Absolute Perfect Makeup Primer. Make my skin literally soft and poreless, and it make my skin a little brighter. I'm using same primer to prime my eyes. Even I forgot to prime my neck. Today I'm using this Loreal Paris Matte Maqique foundation in color G3. It is perfect, the perfect shade for my like summer days. It make my skin matte and it stay for a longer period. And literally I fall in love with this. All out. Can you see that it's covered my dark circle also? Its coverage is literally awesome. I'm taking little more for my under eyes and little this areas. For fill my eyebrows, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette in color in the variant of Flawless Matte. I'm using this. You can see that how much I've used this shade. I'm using this shade to fill my eyebrows. Can you see the difference, how much like lifted my face and make like look like my face little definition. This for my blush, for my eye makeup, shade in pink. Finger to apply the color on my lips. Same lipstick. little too intense, a little lighter than it. Blue Heaven loose powder to set. Waterline, I'm using this Loreal Paris kajal, maqique kajal. I'm like literally applying kajal in my waterline and upper here also. Find my eyes look. A hypercurl volume express mascara. You can see the difference between these two lashes, eyes. Same mascara to set my eyebrows. I'm just using a little amount of it. I'm in second generation lip liner in color pink. I'm like lining my lips, also filling with it. It's literally butter. So I'm using this Relvon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in color Seduction. Amount of this lipstick just here. I'm using this brush to wipe up the excess. Aloe vera makeup fixer. From Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in color Rose Gold. I'm using this first shade to highlight my face.